There's a secret weapon in his dad. Good. I got something. That's enough. Go ahead, Bobby. Go down and shoot on Alex. You need a puck, though. You may want to take one of them. That's the way to learn, buddy. Oh, big save there. We got that on film.
What's the surf on that
one? And we're here with Derek. Derek, you've got to be impressed.
Seen some good backhanders.
Yep. Hello, folks.